and you keep
चले जाएंगे so you have to bear with me. I
In the presence of this assembly, to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully, I will abstain from whatever is deleterious, mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, I would endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
Time is a beginning of the past and big dreams for the future.
Graduation is an end of a tough journey.
Dear graduates, congratulations once again. You showed excellence in Manipur University Examinations 2021. So taking forward the program, we now shall give away. We have different category of prizes. First, we have prizes for those graduates